Hi, I'm Brittany with Condi Systems, and today we're going to be pressing our latest flip-flops. And the difference between these and our previous flip-flops is we've had a lot of requests by our customers for a thinner flip-flop. So this is a 10mm thick as opposed to the 15mm thick. You can still get the other flip-flops. They are available, but they are a custom order. This is a newer, thinner flip-flop, and because it is thinner, it's also cheaper, so it's less costly to use. So it's a plus all around. You'll get the flip-flops, and we now offer the white and black footing. So that's another plus to our flip-flops. Today, what I brought with me is my sticky lint roller, some heat tape, you can do Pro Spray, whichever you prefer, the transfer, and a couple sheets of protective paper. What we're going to do first is we're going to want to pre-press our flip-flops. So I'll move over to my press, grab a sheet of protective paper for the bottom, grab my flip-flops, add another sheet of protective paper, and you'll want to be sure that you do this in a well-ventilated area, especially if you're doing multiple products, because they can have a certain kind of odor when you press them, and it's something very important to note. You want to make sure that your customers and just your workstation area stays nice and ventilated. So we're going to pre-press for 10 seconds, 400 degrees, and I'm using a light to medium pressure. With my heat press complete, you can see it just folds over a little bit with the heat. It's going to cool and it's going to go right back to its normal shape. While it's still warm, I'm going to run my lint roller over my flip-flops. That looks perfect. I'll grab my image. And cheat a little bit and use my heat tape just on the corners. The transfer works out to be quite larger than my flip-flop, so it makes it easier. Pro Spray is another option that you can use. I just want to make sure that I have it lined up and in place. I'm ready to go to my press time, which is going to be 40 seconds. Again, light to medium pressure, 400 degrees. And that sound means we're done. So let's lift up on our press and see how well our flip-flops turned out. Those are going to look great once we put them together. I'll give them just a couple minutes to cool on my press, and then we'll be ready to start our assembly. Now that my flip-flops have had time to cool, I already went ahead and assembled one of my flip-flops. One of the best things about the new flip-flops being thinner is that it makes it even easier to assemble. So you may recognize our flip-flop tool, which makes it pretty easy to do. Put my tool in here. And we'll just be able to pull it right through our flip-flop. It's very easy to do. And now we have two different colors. We have our black and our white. And the new flip-flops and the tool, you can put together flip-flops a lot faster. You have a little bit more variety. You can see just how quickly those went in. Very fast assembly. Make sure that's perfect. And there you have it. Those are our new 10mm thick flip-flops. And that wraps up our flip-flop video. Again, you have more videos on our flip-flop tool, for example, or even the different sizes and different colors that we offer. We have all the way to youth sizes. So you want to be sure to check out all of our videos on our flip-flops. And for all of our products and services, check out Condi.com and watch more of my videos at CondiTV.com. I'm Brittany with Condi Systems, and thank you for joining us.